Alrighty, I'm pretty much ready to put this back together. I took the cylinder head to the machine shop, ended up having them replace all of the exhaust valves. The one was completely bad. Most of them were pretty bad, lots of pitting and stuff, so couldn't count on those, had to replace them all. A few things to do here before I get started putting the cylinder head on. I'm going to clean all this up so that I can get some gasket maker to stick to that, kind of degrease the whole mating surface here of the cylinder head, clean up intake manifold, exhaust manifold so everything seals nicely. I need to take the tensioner out so that I can get a little bit of room to work on the chain here when I'm trying to get the timing set. Hopefully I can do that with the timing chain cover on. I think that's about it. Oh, I found one more broken part. The actuator for the vvt-i, it's a little oil solenoid, that was broken, so I'm going to have to order one of those in order for that to work right. I have a feeling that it's probably been broken a long time, but whatever, here we go. I just realized I had the camera pointing slightly the wrong angle, but that can't be undone. So let's take a look at what I'm working on. I've got the head put back on here, and got the head bolts in, 26 pound feet plus 90 degrees, and you know, you tighten it in the appropriate order. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I think, something like that. Look at the manual. One of the things that was very difficult about getting it off is also very difficult about putting it on. I don't know if you can see down in here that bolt that is just partially threaded in. Right there. That goes into the head. So to get the head off without taking the timing chain cover off, you have to get that bolt out, and it's pretty difficult to do. Possible, obviously, and there is a risk of dropping it down in there, and then you would definitely be taking the timing chain cover off. But that's where I'm at. I got that bolt started. I'm going to get that in, then I think I'm going to be ready to place the cams. I think I'll be able to get the timing and everything set right. We'll see. On the crank down here, you can see the white mark. That tells me where the crank position is, and then the tab there tells me where top dead center is. And then when I get up here and put the cam sprockets on, I should be able to get the correct number of links between the mark on the cam sprockets and be all set to go. That's the plan, but it remains to be seen if we can actually achieve that. Set the camera back up and keep going. worked on this. Got the exhaust manifold, gasket, all of that back together. Got the head on, all the head bolts torqued. Got the cams on. Got the timing set, which is pretty difficult without taking the timing chain cover off, but I think I got it. It's a process of basically making sure that you have the right number of links between the timing mark on each cam sprocket and making sure that your crank pulley is lined up with top dead center. And it's a difficult working situation because you don't have much room to play with here. It's hard to get it adjusted exactly right. A little bit of trial and error in that. Today I'm going to try and get intake manifold on, all this wiring harness stuff hooked up, valve cover, all the various vacuum hoses and things, and that should be about it. Maybe if things go smooth and I'm lucky, I'll have a chance to try and start it. But we'll see. Every time I worked on it, I've got some kind of setback, so there's no reason to think that's not going to happen again. Here we go. Back together, and I'm going to try starting it. Hopefully, cross your fingers. Visual check every hose, every wire, looking for loose ends, and I think we're all set. Got my jump box here plugged in. I'm not sure what the status of the battery is, so we'll be good to go though with that going. So let's try it. Okay, I think that's a success. Started right up. There's a little bit of a ticking noise. I'm not really sure if it was doing that before because it was running so terribly that probably wouldn't have heard it. So hopefully that's nothing too serious. I guess we'll just kind of drive it and find out. Other than that, I think I need to let it warm up so I can get all the coolant going and just start driving it, and hopefully everything just works great. Thanks for watching.